The Chinese continue to amaze the world. The Chinese company Wofei Changkong Technology has introduced the innovative flying transportation vehicle AE200. The company specializes in the development and commercialization of low-altitude transportation solutions and is based in Chengdu, China. The maximum takeoff weight of the aircraft is 2,500 kilograms. The maximum speed is 320 kilometers per hour. The maximum flight altitude is 1,000 meters above ground level, or 3,000 meters above sea level, and the maximum flight range is 200 kilometers. AE200 combines the advantages of a helicopter and an airplane, providing fast and efficient transport in urban congestion conditions. Its main functions include passenger transportation, emergency medical assistance, and other types of air transport. In June 2024, AE200 successfully completed its first public test flights, including full load flights and transition modes. The American aviation company Aeronex has unveiled its flying car for the first time, with a projected flight range of 110 kilometers in the air. As part of a test, the Aleph car overcame an obstacle in an emergency traffic blockage by flying over another vehicle. The ultralight version of the Aleph Aeronex flying car was tested by flying over a closed road in a sparsely populated area. This vehicle is already officially approved to fly in U.S. airspace. Additionally, it can travel approximately 322 kilometers on the road without recharging and fly 177 kilometers in the air. The car is also equipped with a parachute for emergency situations. The company's CEO Jim Duchovny stated that they have already received thousands of pre-orders and hope to begin production within 12 months. Aleph Aeronex also reports that the price of this car will be approximately $300,000. The Chinese military has demonstrated the world's first parachute jump by a military dog named Dindin alongside its handler, a paratrooper from the People's Liberation Army. Before the jump, Dindin is equipped with a newly designed specialized suit that ensures its safety and comfort during the flight. The dog then boards the aircraft with its handler. At a designated altitude, the pair successfully executes the jump, showcasing seamless coordination and trust between human and animal. Military dogs like Dindin play a crucial role in various operations, including search missions, rescue efforts, and security tasks. Training them for parachute jumps expands their capabilities and enhances their effectiveness in carrying out missions in remote or hard-to-reach areas. Following the demonstration with the dog, the Chinese military showcased the preparation and execution of parachute jumps using the latest equipment of the Chinese Air Force unit. Before the jump, servicemen inspect and put on their parachute gear, receive instructions, and proceed to the helicopter. Inside the helicopter, they take their positions, check their equipment, and prepare for the jump. Upon reaching the designated altitude and drop zone, the paratroopers exit the aircraft one by one on the instructor's command, performing their parachute jumps. While in the air, the parachutists control their descent, adjusting their body position and parachute lines to ensure precise landing at the designated location. These training exercises are designed to develop parachuting skills, improve landing accuracy, and enhance coordination in the air, making them an essential part of the training for airborne units of the Chinese Air Force. The Japanese company NEC announced that it has succeeded in creating a prototype flying car. With a roar, the 148-kilogram helicopter-like prototype, measuring 3.9 meters in length, 1.3 meters in height, and 3.7 meters in width, lifted itself 3 meters off the ground and hovered for several minutes at the NEC test location. It is equipped with 4 rotors and visually resembles a large quadcopter. However, calling it a car is somewhat of a stretch. It has 3 small wheels, so discussing its road maneuverability or ability to achieve high speeds is premature. A video shows the NEC flying machine briefly taking off. The ascent is accompanied by the noise of the propellers and the wobbling of the body, so the flight can hardly be called stable at this stage. After the tests, the Japanese engineers are not ready to report that the machine can maintain stable flight. However, the fact that it lifted off the ground indicates that there are huge development prospects in this field. The flying hammock drone is an innovative concept that involves using drones to suspend a hammock in the air without the need for trees or other supports. This unconventional approach to outdoor relaxation was developed as an experiment and marketing stunt, showcasing the potential of drones in unique applications. Despite the appeal of the idea, it faces several technical challenges. Most current drones are not capable of supporting the weight of a person, and their operation is accompanied by significant noise, which could make relaxation difficult. The idea of a flying hammock was featured in a marketing campaign by the insurance company Central Bahir, which illustrated how technology can transform traditional notions of comfort and leisure. The Japanese company Aeronex has unveiled its next-generation prototype called the Flying Gondola, a hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle. Designed for safe and comfortable travel, the Flying Gondola stands out from other air transport concepts with its unique design and control approach. The main idea behind the Flying Gondola is to create a convenient air transport vehicle that provides a smooth and stable flight. It is equipped with 4D gravity technology, which controls the center of gravity, minimizing vibrations and ensuring passenger comfort. The design features inclined wings with 8 adjustable propellers to optimize flight. The first prototype of the Flying Gondola is intended for a single passenger, but future models are planned to accommodate multiple passengers. At first glance, it may seem like a person with a jetpack is soaring through the sky, but in reality, it is a full-scale radio-controlled model. Engineer and remote-controlled aircraft enthusiast Ralph Kaiser has created a unique flying figure nicknamed Manny Quinn. Unlike traditional model aircraft, this design is based on drone technology, providing incredible maneuverability and realistic flight dynamics. The model is built on a dual copter configuration with 2 powerful 250 kV motors. It is controlled via a KK 2.15 flightboard, and power is supplied by a 10-cell 3000 mAh lithium polymer battery, providing enough energy for extended flights. A lightweight yet durable frame and carefully designed aerodynamics make the model's movements natural, creating the complete illusion of a real person in the air. Thanks to its high power and precise control system, Manny Quinn is capable of performing complex maneuvers, impressing with its grace and realism. Joby Aviation, in collaboration with Toyota, has developed a revolutionary electric flying vehicle named the N542JX. This project is one of the most promising examples of urban air transport, aimed at providing eco-friendly, quiet, and efficient solutions for aerial mobility. With 6 rotors and a fixed wing, the N542JX boasts high aerodynamic efficiency, a maximum speed of up to 320 km per hour, and a flight range of approximately 240 km. Its fully electric powertrain ensures zero carbon dioxide emissions, while its low noise level makes it suitable for densely populated areas. The primary applications of the N542JX include passenger transportation, cargo delivery, and use in emergency services, such as rescue missions or the transport of medical supplies. Introducing the latest multi-purpose Japanese helicopter of the future, the SH-60L. The SH-60L is designed to perform a wide range of tasks, including patrolling maritime territories, combating submarines and surface targets, conducting rescue operations, and participating in humanitarian missions. For instance, it is actively used to guard Japan's maritime borders, prevent illegal activities, assist distressed vessels, evacuate victims, and deliver humanitarian aid. The SH-60L is manufactured by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries under license from the American company Sikorsky. The helicopter is equipped with 2 General Electric T700 turboshaft engines, providing high power and reliability. Its maximum speed reaches 270 km per hour, with a flight range of approximately 830 km and an autonomous flight duration of up to 4 hours. The SH-60L's armament includes anti-ship missiles, machine guns, and automatic cannons for defense against small targets. Let's take a break from jetpacks and move on to other flying devices. This is the EZ-Fly from the French company Zapata. The EZ-Fly is a personal flying device that resembles a flying Segway. The user stands on a small platform equipped with a series of jet engines and holds onto two handles extending from the base. Control is achieved by tilting the body, making the flight process intuitive and accessible even for beginners. The EZ-Fly is an evolution of the company's previous model, the Flyboard Air. Unlike its predecessor, the EZ-Fly features handles for maintaining balance, significantly simplifying control and reducing pilot training requirements. The device can reach speeds of up to 130 km per hour and ascend to an altitude of up to 3,000 meters. The EZ-Fly can be used in various fields, including entertainment, rescue operations, and military applications. Jetpack Aviation has introduced a revolutionary jetpack called JB-10. This personal flying device is equipped with two specially modified turbojet engines, each providing approximately 90 kilograms of thrust. JB-10 is capable of reaching speeds of over 193 kilometers per hour and ascending to an altitude of up to 5,500 meters. The flight time is around 8 minutes depending on the pilot's weight and environmental conditions. There are two versions of the jetpack, ultralight and experimental. The ultralight version is limited to a speed of 105 kilometers per hour and a fuel capacity of approximately 19 liters, allowing it to be operated without the need for a pilot's license under United States FAA regulations. The experimental version has no restrictions on speed or fuel capacity, but requires the pilot to have at least a sport or recreational license. Popular YouTube blogger Tucker Gott flew to McDonald's on a Paramotor to get a burger. He is known for his thrilling flights and adventures, which he documents on his YouTube channel. People often ask, is it possible to fly a Paramotor to work, school, or the store? By flying to McDonald's, Tucker decided to answer this question. He considers it not very practical, but sometimes it is possible to make a stop somewhere along the route. Plus, McDonald's had a great lawn for landing and takeoff. A Paramotor is a paraglider with a backpack-mounted power unit that provides liftoff and movement through the air. The flight speed of this vehicle usually ranges from 25 to 75 kilometers per hour, depending on the model and conditions. The flight altitude can reach several thousand meters, but most flights take place at an altitude of up to 1,500 meters. The flight duration depends on the fuel tank capacity and fuel consumption, usually lasting from 1 to 3 hours. Paramotoring is considered one of the most accessible and simple ways of powered flight. It offers a unique opportunity to enjoy breathtaking aerial views and explore the surroundings from a new perspective. Hang glider pilot Christian Mulek has tamed a flock of Canadian geese and flies with them around the world. The birds see him as their flock leader. In the 1990s, French meteorologist Christian Mulek noticed that flocks of small, lesser white-fronted geese struggled to find their migratory route from Germany to Lapland in northern Sweden. To help them, in 1995, Christian Mulek acquired a two-seat ultralight aircraft to guide the birds along the safest migration path. At first, the birds refused to follow him, but soon the ecologist's efforts proved successful. In recent years, Christian has begun inviting tourists to join his journeys. People from all over the world visit Mulek and his airborne companions to spend 35 minutes in the air between March and October. While flying with the flock, passengers witness breathtaking views of castles, deserts, mountains, bridges, and cities from above. Sometimes the route passes through Edinburgh in Scotland and Venice in Italy. Mulek's passengers come from all walks of life and have diverse backgrounds. Most are Europeans, though some must spend 15 hours on a plane before embarking on a flight with the ecologist. Here is a breathtaking joint flight of the Jetman Dubai team and the Breitling Wingwalkers group over Dubai. This unique aerial show has without exaggeration amazed the entire world. It combines the innovative jet wings of Jetman with classic biplanes featuring wing-walking acrobats. Jetman Dubai is a team founded by Swiss pilot and inventor Yves Rossi, known as Jetman. He developed individual jet-powered wings that allow a person to fly like a bird. The maximum speed of this device reaches an incredible 407 kilometers per hour. The maximum flight altitude is up to 6,100 meters, and the flight range is up to 50 kilometers. These wings enable pilots to perform complex maneuvers and achieve high speeds, providing a unique experience of free flight. In the video itself, the The Jetman Dubai team and the Breitling Wingwalkers joined forces for a flight over iconic locations in Dubai, such as Palm Jumeirah and Dubai Marina. This collaboration symbolizes the fusion of innovation and tradition in aviation, showcasing the possibilities of human flight and aerobatics. Extreme athlete Chucky Wright decided to ascend to a height of 5,334 meters on his paramotor, making it the most extreme challenge of his life. The ascent to this altitude took about 2 hours. For this flight, Chucky used a Parajet Maverick paramotor with a Vitarazi Monster 185 engine and an Ozone Speedster 3-wing measuring 22 square meters. He emphasizes that the flight was conducted entirely within legal airspace. During the ascent, Chucky encountered extremely low temperatures, which came as a surprise to him despite his experience in ice diving. Despite the cold, he continued climbing, enjoying breathtaking views and the feeling of freedom at such an altitude. This flight became his highest ascent outside of an airplane and reaffirmed his drive for new adventures and pushing his own limits. The Japanese startup SkyDrive has developed the SD03 flying car, representing an advanced solution for future urban transportation. The SD03 is a single-seat vertical takeoff and landing air vehicle equipped with 8 electric motors. It is designed for autonomous flights at low altitudes and speeds. The SD03 has compact dimensions, a length of 4 meters, a width of 4 meters, and a height of 2 meters. This allows it to maneuver easily in urban environments and utilize existing infrastructure. Its electric drive system ensures high efficiency and minimal emissions, meeting modern environmental standards. One of the unique features of the SD03 is its vertical takeoff and landing capability, allowing it to be used on building rooftops or specialized landing pads. SkyDrive is actively addressing safety concerns by implementing backup systems and automatic flight control. This development, the Amphibious gyrocopter Crucker, is a unique combination of a rotary wing aircraft and a seaplane, allowing takeoff and landing on both water and land. Created by a Canadian engineer, this ultralight aircraft features an innovative design and high maneuverability. The aircraft is controlled via a minimalist instrument panel. The gyrocopter's power system varies depending on the model. For example, one version is equipped with a Yamaha Apex engine producing 150 horsepower, a 3-blade propeller with a diameter of 74 inches, and 30-foot carbon fiber rotors. This configuration ensures excellent flight performance and reliability in operation. After many years of research, development, and independent testing, American high-tech inventor Hunter Kawald has unveiled a fully functional hoverboard, and it truly flies. According to the inventor, his hoverboard can lift a rider to a height of up to 150 meters. The drone is designed to be as compact as possible to ensure safe maneuverability in the air and a stable position for the pilot. The hoverboard's frame is custom-built from carbon fiber, and Hunter used industrial-grade components for the chassis, prioritizing safety above anything else. Even if 2 of the 8 motors fail during flight, the hoverboard can still land safely. To control the hoverboard in the air, Hunter uses a remote control along with a navigation system certified by the Federal Aviation Administration of the United States. The Japanese appear determined to revolutionize the future of cargo transportation with the development of the K-Racer X1 by Kawasaki. This unmanned vertical takeoff and landing aircraft integrates cutting-edge technologies from various sectors of the company. The K-Racer X1 is powered by a 1,000 cubic centimeter supercharged engine from the Ninja H2R motorcycle, delivering approximately 310 horsepower. This provides high performance and a payload capacity of up to 100 kilograms. The aircraft is designed to address logistical challenges in hard-to-reach locations, such as mountainous regions or disaster-stricken areas where traditional delivery methods are impractical. The K-Racer X1 can cover distances of up to 100 kilometers at a speed of about 140 kilometers per hour, making it an efficient solution for rapid cargo delivery. Kawasaki has also integrated a robotic assistant into the system for automated loading and unloading of goods. In 2024, the company unveiled an upgraded version, the K-Racer X2, featuring an increased rotor diameter and a payload capacity of up to 200 kilograms. The XXL Copter, developed by Andreas Johnson, is a large custom-built drone designed to carry a human. This drone is equipped with a powerful propulsion system, including an Outrunner brushless motor, and is stabilized by the DJI Wukong M flight controller. The Wukong M is known for providing advanced flight stabilization, which is crucial when carrying heavy loads such as a person. Jansen's XXL copter has demonstrated its ability to safely lift and transport a human, making it one of the notable examples of manned drone technology. Videos on Jansen's channel show the drone in action, highlighting its flight capabilities and the precision of the Wukong M stabilizer, which allows for smooth and controlled flight even with the additional weight of a passenger. This jetpack was developed in New Zealand by Martin Aircraft Company, and it is the world's first which is commercially available. Unlike traditional jetpack designs, the Martin jetpack uses two ducted fans powered by a 2-liter V4 engine, producing 200 horsepower and running on gasoline. The Martin jetpack can reach a maximum speed of about 40 kilometers per hour, ascend to an altitude of up to 760 meters, and sustain flight for approximately 28 minutes. The empty weight of the device is 200 kilograms. Initially, the company intended to market the jetpack as a personal flight vehicle for recreational use, but later recognized its potential for emergency response, search and rescue operations, and military applications. Domino's Pizza, in partnership with jetpack manufacturer Gravity Industries, has become the first company to deliver pizza using jetpacks. The custom-made jet suit used for delivery cost several $100,000. The delivery was launched as a test during a music festival in Glastonbury, United Kingdom. A Domino's delivery driver took on the role of a jetpack pilot. He picked up the pizza from a nearby location in Glastonbury, flew over the fields, and distributed it to festival goers. When asked whether Domino's plans to make jetpack delivery a standard practice, a company representative gave a vague response. All we can say at this stage is that the idea has legs, or wings, or a jetpack. The company also stated that this is the future of fast delivery service. Professional base jumper Peter Salzmann from Austria has completed the world's first flight in an electric wingsuit, developed in collaboration with BMW I and DesignWorks. The wingsuit is equipped with two electric impellers made of carbon fiber, providing additional thrust and allowing for a horizontal speed of up to 299 kilometers per hour. These impellers are positioned on the pilot's chest and are powered by lithium-ion batteries, delivering approximately 5 minutes of extra thrust. The flight took place over the Austrian Alps, where Salzmann jumped from a helicopter at an altitude of about 3,000 meters, alongside two other pilots in standard wingsuits. Thanks to the electric propulsion, he was able to gain altitude and soar over a mountain peak, showcasing the capabilities of this new technology. The American company Skysurfer Aircraft has developed an innovative personal flying vehicle called Skysurfer. Skysurfer is the smallest personal aircraft in the world, capable of folding to a size that allows it to be transported on a passenger airplane. This gives users the ability to take the device almost anywhere. The structure is made from patented materials with a nano coating, ensuring the aircraft's lightness and durability. The basic model is designed for beginners, offering essential features at an affordable price. It is ideal for those who want to experience flight on a limited budget. The official launch of Skysurfer aircraft took place on January 17, 2024, with the introduction of the Skysurfer Pro 2.0. The company offers the option to pre-order through its official website, where customers can place a refundable deposit of $100 to reserve a spot in the production queue. Engineers from Kittyhawk have developed the Flyer, a single-seat electric aircraft with vertical takeoff and landing, designed for travel over water surfaces. The Kittyhawk Flyer is equipped with 10 electric propellers and runs on battery power, ensuring a quiet and environmentally friendly flight. Its maximum speed is 32 kilometers per hour, with a flight time of up to 20 minutes. The body of the aircraft is made from carbon fiber and other lightweight composite materials, making the structure both strong and lightweight. The vehicle weighs 113 kilograms, and the minimum flight altitude is just 0.9 meters. The Flyer is designed for maximum ease of operation, and the developers claim that a pilot can learn to fly it in just a few hours. However, the aircraft is not intended for use within city limits. It is specifically designed for flights over water. Here is the Flyboard Air, the latest jet-powered flying platform developed by French inventor Frankie Zapata, which may soon be adopted by NATO soldiers. The device is a hoverboard equipped with 5 turbojet engines running on kerosene. Its maximum flight altitude is 3,000 meters. Maximum speed is approximately 150 kilometers per hour, and a payload capacity of up to 120 kilograms. The Flyboard Air is designed for individual flights and demonstration performances. Control is achieved through the pilot's body tilts and a handheld controller, requiring extensive training and skill. Currently, the device is not commercially available on a large scale and is primarily used for shows and military demonstrations. The exact price of the Flyboard Air remains undisclosed, but in 2017 reports indicated that Zapata had presented the device to the U.S. Army with a potential cost estimated at around $250,000. Despite its impressive capabilities, the Flyboard Air has yet to see widespread adoption due to its complex operation, limited flight duration, and high cost. Meet Rider X1, an innovative flying transportation vehicle developed by the United States-based company Richter. Rider X1 is a single-seat vehicle with an enclosed cabin made of carbon fiber and aerospace-grade aluminum. In ground mode, it rests on 2 main wheels, with retractable supports providing additional stability. For flight, it features 4 extendable legs, each equipped with 2 powerful fans, making a total of 8 propellers. In ground mode, the maximum speed reaches 70 kilometers per hour. The flight speed goes up to 100 kilometers per hour, with a maximum altitude of 200 meters. Rider X1 is expected to go on sale in 2026 at a price of approximately $60,000. However, it is important to note that widespread adoption of such transportation will require significant changes in legislation and infrastructure, which could impact the timeline and conditions for its market release. Engineers at Gravity Industries have developed an innovative jet-powered suit known as the Jet Suit. This personal flight system is equipped with 5 miniature turbojet engines, 2 mounted on the arms and 3 on the back. The jet suit can reach speeds of up to 88 kilometers per hour and ascend to an altitude of up to 3,658 meters. Its flight time is limited to approximately 5 to 10 minutes, depending on conditions and the pilot's weight. Control is achieved by adjusting the position of the arms and body, allowing precise maneuvering and speed regulation. The jet-powered suit was demonstrated at the Special Operations Forces Industry Conference, where experts highlighted its potential for military and rescue applications. The jet suit could be used for rapid personnel deployment, obstacle navigation, and reconnaissance missions in hard-to-reach areas. The American company Rise Aero Technologies recently demonstrated its new flying vehicle called Recon. This single-seat electric multicopter with vertical takeoff and landing is specifically designed for use in rural areas and the agricultural sector. Recon enables rapid transportation across difficult terrains where traditional vehicles may struggle. The aircraft is equipped with 6 independent electric motors and removable batteries, providing a maximum speed of 101 kilometers per hour and a flight range of approximately 40 kilometers. An interesting feature of Recon is its ability to take off and land on both land and water, expanding its functionality in various conditions. Additionally, operating this ultralight aircraft does not require a pilot's license. In June 2024, the company launched sales of Recon at a price of approximately $150,000, marketing it as a flying all-terrain vehicle for farmers. Bell's Autonomous Pod Transport is a groundbreaking family of unmanned aerial vehicles developed by Bell Textron. There are several models in the APT family, each with distinct specifications tailored to different needs. The APT-70, for example, is a mid-sized model designed for a wide range of missions, from package delivery to medical transport and disaster relief. It has a maximum payload capacity of 32 kilograms and can achieve a top speed of 222 kilometers per hour. Its operational range is approximately 56 kilometers with a full payload, which can be extended up to 105 kilometers when flying without cargo, but equipped with additional batteries. Another model, the APT-100, was developed with the military in mind, featuring modular components for easy assembly and disassembly in the field. The APT-100 aims to offer a scalable platform that could eventually carry up to 450 kilograms of cargo, significantly expanding its utility in both military and commercial fields. Lift Aircraft continues to strive to make air transportation as simple and accessible as possible for the average person. Its most notable development to date is Hexa, a compact electric drone lifted into the air by 18 rotors. The company claims that the device can be operated without a pilot's license or prior training, using only voice commands. A full battery charge is sufficient for 15 minutes of flight at cruising speed. If the pilot does not land within that time, the aircraft will automatically descend and land without human intervention. If one or several motors fail, Hexa can still land smoothly using the thrust from the remaining rotors. While the simultaneous failure of all rotors is highly unlikely, it is still possible. For such a scenario, lift aircraft engineers have equipped Hexa with a ballistic parachute to prevent it from crashing. The maximum flight height is artificially limited to prevent interference with other aircraft and ensure their safety. This is one reason why no special pilot's license is required, making the entry barrier to flying the Hexa drone extremely low. Engineers from Airhogs have developed a radio-controlled model called the Imperial Speeder Drone Bike, inspired by the famous 74Z speeder bike from the Star Wars universe. This high-speed drone allows franchise fans to recreate thrilling speeder bike race scenes right at home. The model features a detailed design that accurately replicates the appearance of the original speeder bike, including an integrated Scout Trooper figure. The Imperial Speeder Drone Bike is equipped with a lightweight and durable body made of impact-resistant plastic, making it resilient to falls and collisions. Its built-in 6-axis gyroscope system ensures flight stability, while its high maneuverability allows for sharp turns, rapid acceleration and hovering, making control dynamic and exciting. With 2.4 GHz radio control, the drone can be operated from a distance of up to 50 meters without interference. The device also features automatic takeoff and landing. The company Bell, known for its innovations in aviation, has introduced the Bell Nexus Air Taxi, which offers an advanced solution for urban mobility. The Bell Nexus is a vertical takeoff and landing air vehicle designed to transport passengers through the air in densely populated urban environments. The Bell Nexus is equipped with a hybrid electric propulsion system, ensuring high efficiency and reduced environmental emissions. This flying vehicle can carry up to 4 passengers and 1 pilot, offering a fast and convenient way to travel across the city, bypassing traffic and reducing travel time. The vehicle weighs 2,700 kilograms and has a maximum flight range of 240 kilometers. It is expected that the Nexus can cover this distance in an hour. Bell is actively working on integrating the Bell Nexus into urban infrastructure, collaborating with partners and regulators to create an air taxi ecosystem. The Japanese company Tetra Aviation has developed the Tetra MK5 flying car, representing an advanced solution for personal air transportation. The Tetra MK5 is a single-seat vertical takeoff and landing air vehicle designed for participation in the Go Fly competition sponsored by Boeing. In 2020, this vehicle won the grand prize of $1 million. Its main features include a maximum speed of around 160 kilometers per hour, a flight range of up to 160 kilometers, and a flight time of approximately 1 hour. Its compact size allows for use on limited landing sites, and its multi-rotor configuration ensures high maneuverability. The Tetra MK5 boasts a well-thought-out design and innovative technologies. It is equipped with multiple electric motors, enabling it to take off vertically and travel significant distances on a single charge. The primary purpose of the Tetra MK5 is to serve as a personal transportation vehicle for short trips, especially in densely populated urban areas. A considerable number of car companies have recently begun considering a fundamentally new type of transportation: flying taxis. These vehicles won't need to stop at red lights at every intersection. They will never get stuck in traffic, and they can deliver a person to any point in the city. Additionally, there are no harmful emissions as the engines run on electricity. Recently, Hyundai joined the flight race, announcing the creation of a new special division. Hyundai, in partnership with Uber, recently unveiled the concept of a new transportation system designed to replace traditional taxis. The taxi is a device with tilt-rotor engines that provide lift during vertical takeoff and act as propellers during horizontal flight. The air taxi, which can accommodate up to 5 people, is capable of flying at an altitude of up to 600 meters, at a speed of about 300 kilometers per hour. The maximum flight range will be 100 kilometers. At the National Aviation Conference in Berlin, Volocopter and DB Schenker unveiled their latest cargo drone capable of carrying up to 200 kilograms. The companies collaborated to develop solutions for fast and eco-friendly cargo transport, resulting in a UAV that stands 2.15 meters tall, has a diameter of 9.15 meters, and a total takeoff weight of 600 kilograms. This fully electric drone can transport a 200-kilogram payload over a distance of approximately 40 kilometers. It is capable of autonomous flights beyond the line of sight, with vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. In the future, the Volo drone could be used for transporting goods to hard-to-reach areas, such as mountainous regions or disaster-stricken zones, as well as for intra-city cargo delivery. Engineers from Future Motion have introduced an upgraded electric unicycle called the Onewheel GTS series, designed to enhance the riding experience through increased power, comfort, and improved control. The GTS series model can reach a top speed of up to 40 kilometers per hour. This high speed is achieved thanks to a powerful 130-volt motor, which provides significantly more torque and better stability at high speeds. This allows riders to confidently navigate challenging terrain, such as steep climbs or rocky trails. One of the key features of the new model is its adaptability and versatility. The Onewheel GTS series is suitable for both urban commuting and extreme off-road adventures. The price for the GTS series starts at $2,900. Engineers from the Japanese company Prodrone have introduced a fascinating drone model, the PD-6BAW ARM, equipped with specially designed robotic arms for performing hands-on operations. The drone's capabilities are truly impressive. Using its claws, the drone can deliver water and flotation devices, as well as confidently carry away a metal chair. It can also perch on a railing like a bird of prey. However, Prodrone has not provided specific details on how the model would handle eagles, which security experts consider natural enemies of drones. While the drone's arms can carry approximately 10 kilograms, its maximum payload capacity is 20 kilograms. It can fly for up to 30 minutes at speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour on a single charge. According to its manufacturers, the drone can perform various operations at great heights, over long distances, and in places that would be too dangerous for humans, including cargo retrieval, cable cutting, turning handles, flipping switches, dropping rescue buoys, and extracting hazardous materials. At last year's Japan Mobility Show in Tokyo, Subaru showcased its vision of the flying car of the future. The air mobility looks more like a flying car than the personal aircraft other companies are developing. The manufacturer also hints that the flying Subaru is not just a fantasy. It features distinctive headlights and taillights with branding in the center. The interior looks very similar to that of a car. Subaru mentioned that aerospace and automotive engineers are still working on the concept, so there are not many details available yet. Introducing one of the most unusual drones developed by the Finnish company Misty Friday Films, known as the Killer Drone. This drone is unique because it is equipped with a real chainsaw. The Killer Drone gained fame through a viral video showcasing its capabilities, such as destroying snowmen, cutting tree branches and other objects. It is built on the DJI S1000 octocopter platform, which has been modified to carry the heavy chainsaw. The drone's design underwent significant changes, including the reconfiguration of the fuel system and the installation of a servo motor to control the chainsaw's carburetor. One of the Killer Drone's key features is its ability to perform complex tasks, such as trimming and removing trees and branches in hard-to-reach places. However, the Killer Drone does have its limitations. Its flight time is only about 5 minutes due to the heavy weight of the chainsaw and the high instability of the structure. The Japanese have created a flying motorcycle that can already be purchased for $680,000. The company ALI Technologies has announced the start of sales for the flying motorcycle X-Turismo Limited Edition. It is worth noting that the X-Turismo is equipped not with an electric setup, but with a classic internal combustion engine that drives the two main rotors. Auxiliary rotors, utilizing technology already tested by the company on drones, are used for maintaining balance and performing various maneuvers. The maximum payload of the vehicle is 300 kilograms. The bike itself weighs 300 kilograms, has a maximum speed of 100 kilometers per hour, and a flight time of 40 minutes. The engineers who created the flying motorcycle say that their creation can be used not only as a rather expensive toy, but also for other practical purposes. Specifically, experts claim that the X-Turismo can be used in rescue operations on water.